The China Report for Monday, June 10, 2013. Fake China approves gold-backed ETPs. China approved 2 domestic exchange-traded products backed by gold as global holdings of the precious metal in ETPs dropped to a 2-year low. Huan Asset Management Company and Guotai Asset Management Company received the China Securities Regulatory Commission's permission to start the funds, which will be denominated in yuan, said Lu Jiaqiang and Li Yeben, spokesman for Huan and Guotai. They will be traded like stocks on the Shanghai Stock Exchange SHCOMP, tracking movements of spot gold on the Shanghai Gold Exchange, Lu and Li said separately by telephone from Shanghai. Gold slid into a bear market in April amid concern the U.S. Federal Reserve may rein in stimulus that helped bullion cap a 12-year bull run in 2012 and as investors reduced holdings in exchange-traded products backed by the metal. Buyers in mainland China viewed the rot as buying opportunity and rushed to purchase jewelry, bars and coins in late April and early May. Gold ETF should help boost gold demand as they will make Chinese investments in the bullion much easier, Zhang Bingren, Secretary-General of the China Gold Association, said by phone from Beijing today. The dumping recently of holdings in gold exchange-traded products by overseas investors may not prove to be a wise move. Huan and Guotai haven't started raising money for the funds yet and didn't give an indication of their potential size, according to the spokesman. 2 calls to the China Securities Regulatory Commission were answered today, which is a holiday in China. Gold futures are traded on Shanghai Futures Exchange and spot and deferred delivery contracts traded on the Shanghai Gold Exchange. China auto sales growth slows further in May. China's auto sales growth decelerated further in May amid signs of weakness in its economic recovery, with Japanese automakers suffering more declines, an industry group reported Sunday. Sales growth decelerated to 9% over the same time last year from April's 13%, according to the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers. China is the biggest auto market by number of vehicles sold and competition is intensifying as global and Chinese manufacturers roll out models targeting its increasingly prosperous drivers. Sales growth has slowed amid mixed signals about whether China's shaky economic recovery is gaining traction. May sales of cars, SUVs and minivans totaled 1.4 million, according to the CAAM. Total vehicle sales including trucks and buses rose 9.8% to 1.8 million units. Growing pains for the Chinese auto market. China wants to revive Southern Silk Road with India. China is looking to revive the ancient Southern Silk Road with South Asia through the economic corridor linking Bangladesh, China, India, and Myanmar BCIM, a topic that figured prominently during Chinese Premier Li Keqiang's recent India visit. As it opened its first South Asia Expo currently being held in Kunming, provincial capital of Yunnan, China wants it to be the bridgehead with India and South Asia, Chinese officials said. China is ready for the revival of the Southern Silk Road and plans are under discussion, state-run Xinhua news agency quoted Yang Yi, a researcher with the Development Research Center of Yunnan Provincial Government, as saying. Chinese scholars say the ancient Silk Route, originating from China's Chengdu city wandered through Myanmar and then extended to India, Bangladesh and even the Middle East. Besides the 16 existing international transport lines linking Yunnan and some Great Mekong sub-regional countries, 7 trunk roads originating from Yunnan extending to neighboring nations and provinces have been promoted as high-grade highways. History repeating itself yet again in the Middle Kingdom. That's the China Report for today. Zaijian.